Let's focus on Vinati Organics now. It was a weak set of numbers for them. The company witnessed sequential recovery but continued to see pressure on a year-on-year basis. Vinti Saraf Mutreja, the managing director at Vinati Organics, joins us now to talk more about her business and the way forward. Vinti, thanks a lot for joining in. Happy Diwali to you and your entire team. Good to see you in your festive gear and hoping this is a great year for your business. Year on year, though, there is some pressure that you've seen. The revenues are down 20%, EBITDA is down about 25%. Has there been any sequential recovery in demand, and what is the pressure? Where are the pressure pockets that you're still facing year on year?
Sure. Happy Diwali, Sonia. See, year on year, actually, our revenues, in my estimate, this year we will not be down as much. I know in H1 we are down combined maybe 15% or so in revenues, but our merger with from NCLT for Veeral Additives just got approved, but we're still waiting for the approval in writing. So once we're expecting that to go through in the next month or so. So from October onwards, the revenues of Veeral Additives will get added to our financials, which wasn't the case in H1. Margins actually have remained intact at 27% of revenues, but the volumes have come down. Last year was a great year. Actually, we saw some excessive buying in a lot of our products, and hence by March, April, our customers were sitting on a lot of inventory, and this destocking has been going on, which will continue to do so in December itself. And that's why you see the overall bottom line being down by about 15-20%.
All right. Hi, Vinati. Good morning. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, how much will Veeral Additives contribute for this year?
See, this year, I mean, it'll be just for 6 months, and it's doing about 30%, 40% of capacity. So maybe around 100 crores or so in this financial years.
Got it. And in fact, do you get the full impact in FY25? So what does it ramp up to?
Right. Well, hopefully we attain better capacity utilizations, close to 50%, at least 60%. So maybe around 400 would be my
400
target.
Crores.
Yeah.
Lovely. All right. So we got that out of the way then. Now, your Atbs segment out there saw the highest amount of destocking. Is that coming to an end?
Well, December is the year ending for most of our customers. So we expect that, they would be sitting on zero inventory by December. And so they would start buying again from December, January for us, because the demand remains steady across sectors for Atbs. Hence, we are continuing with our expansion as well, which is on track to be completed middle of next year.
All right, got it. Overall, for FY24, what are you guiding in terms of revenues? I think the first half you've done about 900 crores. What kind of growth can you do in the second half?
Yeah, maybe a 10% growth from there, given Veeral Additives and some Atbs, maybe 15%. I think we'll be just a little below 2,000 end of this year is my estimate.
Okay, below 2,000 crores on the top line end of the year. And what about in terms of the margins? I think your exit margins in the first half is about 25%. So what are you looking at in the second half?
So similar. I think the margins, mine are showing 27%, but yeah, similar EBITDA margins.
All right. Vinati, what about antioxidants, AO? That started contributing to revenues, I think, in this year.
That's the Veeral Additives that we spoke about. That's the Veeral Additives.
That's the one. Got it. Also, you were talking about some expansion in the Atbs segment, I think so. So what's the outlook out there with regard to the expansion?
So the expansion's on track. Our 10-year outlook on Atbs still remains the same. We think it's a product that has multiple uses and continues to grow over a longer term. And so that's expected to complete by June of next year.
By June of next year. Okay. All right. So it's pushed back a little bit.
Slightly. Yes, slightly.
Okay, all right. All the best, Vinati. Thanks for stopping by and giving us a quick take on the business and the way forward. That's Vinati Organics. Let's